Hi guys, welcome to the very first lesson of the How to Use Photoshop Actions course. My name is Daniel. This course is brought to you for free by PS Actions Club. At PS Actions Club, what we do is we make the best quality actions for photographers, we create better workflows for photographers, and we do so at a fair price. So this first lesson is basically installing your actions. So whether you have made your own actions and you're exporting them from another computer into a new one and you've forgotten how to install them, or if you've bought actions from a website like an e-commerce site, or you're a part of the PS Actions Club and you have access to all of the sets of our core actions, then you need to install them. That's the first thing you need to do. So once you've got Photoshop opened and you've got your image in here like we do, you want to come to the very top and just click Window. Scroll down to Actions. It's one of the very first things you'll see. Click that and it will open up this area here. Now from here it's quite easy. Just navigate to your folder with your actions in. As you can see, these are the PS Actions Club core actions. I've just highlighted them all. I'm going to drag them in. As you can see, before I did that, these are all .atn files. So if you ever download actions from another website and you're not sure what it is that you've downloaded, if it's a .atn file, that's totally fine. That is what you've downloaded, is an action file. So you can see I've loaded all of these in. Now the next step is simply click this hamburger menu here and click button mode. Now I've clicked button mode, you can see all of these actions have loaded up the way that they're intended to be used. In our case, they're color coded and set out by set. So all of these core actions are just there by default now. All you have to do is click them and they start working. So that is all you have to do to install your Photoshop actions. That's it. So the next lesson that we're doing is going to be about layer masks, and we'll see you in that next lesson. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you found that installing actions is actually way easier than you thought. And if you're having any problems, just let us know in the comments and we'll do our best to help you. Okay, thank you.